Karnataka Govt today we had a series of meetings with all the vice chancellors, education experts and various academicians including our officials. As we have decided in our manifesto, today we had gone very deep to it. We heard them. As you rightly know that the national education policy was being brought from 2021, but still in many states where BJP ruling states, none of the states have taken interest and they have not adopted in the state. But various states like Tamil Nadu and Kerala, they have already rejected it. It is a state subject. We have looked deeply. Karnataka has a very big strength on the education policies. We have a big human resource power. This is the knowledge capital. We have the highest number of international schools, primary schools, engineering colleges, medical colleges, nursing colleges. We have our own system of quality education. We have stood in the entire country. So today we have examined all those aspects. We have decided we are going to scrap the national education policy which has been adopted by the BJP government. From next year we are coming out with a new Karnataka education policy. This is what the government of Karnataka has decided. We are going to form a committee. Within a week, a new committee will look into those aspects.
Yesterday, Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, my dear friend Shiva Kumarji, had made an announcement. They will scrap national education policy. I want to tell my dear friend Shiva Kumarji, your facts are wrong. Your statement is mischievous. Your statement is regressive. It's not looking towards future. National education policy is not implemented from 2021, it is implemented from 2020. This is a visionary philosophical document envisioned by educationists of this country. This is not a political document. This is a philosophical document for 21st century. What kind of message he wants to give to the youngsters of the country, especially his own state Karnataka? What kind of politics he is doing? Do they not want early childhood education and care system to be implemented in Karnataka from the age of 3? Do they not want to localize Indian toys, games and play-based learning of our children? Especially if I quote, do they not want Chendamane plays to be taught in the early age of Karnataka students? Do they not want our children to achieve foundational literacy and numeracy by the time they complete the grade 3? They don't want that. Do they oppose education in Kannada language in the mother tongue? Is my dear friend Shiv Kumar is opposing Kannada language which is recommended in national education policy? Do they not want students to learn about new emerging technology of the 21st century which is recommended by national education policy? Do they not want new textbooks relevant for 21st century education? Do they not want an education which is multidisciplinary, giving equal emphasis to science, language, social science, arts and sports? Do they not want integrated vocational education, physical education and art as critical area of study in the school education? Do they not want examination like NEET, CUET, JEE to be conducted in Indian language, in Kannada language? Is Mr. Shiv Kumar is opposing Kannada language entrance examination? Do they not want youth of Karnataka to avail world-class research facility through National Research Foundation? Recently we have enacted a new law looking into the research need of the 21st century. Mr. Shiv Kumar want to debar Kannada students, Karnataka students from that facility. Do they want to oppose the opportunities for earning and learning? Do they want Karnataka youth should not earn credit? There should not be any academic bank of credit for Karnataka students? Do they want the students of Karnataka to avail option of multiple entry and multiple exit in the higher education institutions, which seems to be futuristic, welcome by all the higher education institutions of the country? Do they not want skill-based education in the school system? Do they not want our teachers should be capacitated with the 21st century knowledge to improvement of diets? What kind of politics he want to play? Again, I would like to appeal to him. Let politics should take its own route, but we should not play with the future of our young generation. Now India is in a position to do bigger scientific achievements like Chandrayaan. I am again appealing to my dear friends, they should not do politics.